Hello friends, in my today video I am going to explain how to find the slack value and float value. So this is the main question. Already for this question I have explained in my previous video how to find these three questions. Those are how to draw the network diagram and how to find the critical path and project completion time. And the third question is how to find the EST, EFT, LFT and LST values. So in this video I am not at all going to revise it because the problem is very small, but it will take some time. So before coming to this video, please check the previous video and then only you can fully understand this video. Now in this video I am going to find the slack value and float value. So in our question paper also they will directly ask the find slack value and float value. So for finding slack value, the formula is LFT minus EFT. Slack equals to LFT minus EFT. So you need to reduce EFT values from LFT values. So if you reduce, see this, I just written the answer here. 5 minus 5, 0. 6 minus 6, 0. 13 minus 13, 0. 5 minus 3, 2. And 20 minus 20, 0. 13 minus 11, 2. So these are just subtracting EFT values from LFT values. So here through this slack value also we can know that what is our critical path. Let us check guys. Wherever in the places you have got the 0, those are our critical path steps. See here, for 1 to 2 you got 0. For 2 to 3 again you got. From 3 to 5 you got 0. And 5 to 6 you got 0. So it means that by checking the slack value also you can know that what is our critical path. Now first come to for the float values. Float value is of three types. Here there is no need of learning the definitions, just learn the simple formulas. So here it is of three types: total float, free float and independent float. Here total float value is the formula is same as a slack value. So here you have two choices, that is total float is LFT minus EFT or LST minus EST. You can take either LFT minus EFT or LST minus EFT. Sorry, EST. So if you perform LFT minus EFT, the same values will come as total from the slack. So if you done this also, you can get the same values here. So I am just writing them as it is, as the values are in the slack. 2, 0 and again 2. Now move to free. How to find the free float means the formula is EST of head event. That is EST of head event minus EST of tail event minus duration time. So duration time. This is our float formula guys. Let us check for first 1 to 2. What is the head value here guys? H is the head and 1 is the tail. From the network diagram, EST of head value means for 2, this is the EST value. So here they represent EST LFT. So this first box is EST and the second box is LFT. So here EFT, EST and LFT. Now EST of head event, that is a 5. So here 5 minus EST of tail, it is 0 minus duration, it is a 5. Our answer is 0. Write it here. Now for 2 to 3. For 2 to 3, EST of head event is 6, EST of tail event is 5. 6 minus 5, 1. 1 minus duration, 1, 0. Then for 3 to 5, it is also like simply see that 13 minus 6 minus 7, it is also 0. Then for 1 to 4, so here 3 minus 0, 3 minus 0. That means that 3 minus 3, it is also 0. Now for 5 to 6. Now for 5 to 6 guys. 5 to 6. It is 20 minus 13 minus 7. That means how much, guys? 20 minus 13, 7. 7 minus 7, 0. Then for last thing is 4 to 5. 4 to 5. It is 13 minus 3. It is 10 minus 8. 10 minus 8, 2. So this is our free value, free float. And independent float means free total float minus free float. So it is a total float minus free float. Now just remove it. 0 minus 0, 0. Here also 0, 0. 2 minus 0, 2, 0, and then 2. That's it, guys. This is a slack value and this is a float value. Our video is simple and the problem is also simple if you draw the network diagram perfectly. I think you all understood my video. If you have any doubts, please let me know in the chat box. Thank you.